If you're looking to bring the convenience of a washing machine into your small living space, we've got you covered. Here's our list of the top 5 portable washing machines of 2025, perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anywhere space is tight. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your laundry needs. 5. The Laundry Alternative WonderWash Portable Washing Machine. Our number 5 pick, the Laundry Alternative WonderWash, is a highly compact, eco-friendly washer that's perfect for small spaces. This non-electric machine uses a hand crank design to wash up to 5 pounds of laundry in just a few minutes, making it ideal for RVs, dorms, and apartments. Built from durable ABS material, it's wear-resistant and lightweight, great for delicates like wool, silk, and hand washables. The retro design comes in stylish colors like mint green, yellow, blue, and pink, adding charm to any space. A newly designed easy lid lever makes it easy to use, while its compact size makes it highly portable at just 5 pounds. It even comes with a 3-year warranty, providing peace of mind and ensuring lasting performance. Efficient and environmentally friendly, the WonderWash is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a quick and easy laundry solution without electricity. 4. Auertech Portable Washer. Ranked at number 4, the Auertech Portable Washer is a twin-tub powerhouse that combines washing and spinning functions in one compact unit. It's designed for small spaces like apartments, dorms, and RVs, with a high-speed 1300 RPM motor that can handle up to 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning. Its transparent window lets you keep an eye on each cycle, while the built-in drain pump and adjustable hose make emptying water convenient. The machine's PP body is both rust-resistant and durable, ensuring long-lasting use. No installation is required, and separate time controls for wash and spin cycles allow you to customize each load. This washer is easy to store when not in use, making it a practical choice for those with limited space but regular laundry needs. Auertech's portable washer delivers powerful, efficient washing performance, perfect for anyone in need of a reliable, compact laundry solution. Coming in at number 3, the Panda Portable Washing Machine is the ultimate solution for compact yet versatile laundry care. This washer features 4 key functions: soak, wash, rinse, and spin, offering a complete laundry cycle in a small package. With a 1.34 cubic foot capacity, it can hold up to 10 pounds of laundry, and the stainless steel drum ensures durability and rust resistance. The sapphire blue transparent lid not only looks stylish, but also allows you to monitor your laundry in action. With 10 wash programs, including options like quick wash and heavy duty, along with 5 adjustable water levels, this machine is designed to fit your unique needs. Setup is simple: just hook up the water inlet hose to a faucet, and you're ready to go. Additional features like child lock, delay start, and unbalance detection make this washer safe and user-friendly. The Panda Portable Washing Machine is an excellent choice for apartments, condos, or any small space. At number 2, the Black+Decker Portable Washer brings power and convenience into a compact package. This washer is ideal for apartments, dorms, and RVs, featuring a 0.9 cubic foot stainless steel tub that holds up to 6.6 pounds of laundry. Its 5 wash cycles, heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, are versatile enough to handle a range of fabrics, all while using cold water to save energy. You can also select from 3 water level options, letting you customize each load to save water. The transparent, quiet close lid allows you to check your laundry without disturbing your space. Safety is built in, with auto shutoff, unbalance detection, and child lock for peace of mind. The unit is lightweight, equipped with roller wheels and side handles for easy mobility and storage. The Black+Decker is the perfect combination of portable design and dependable performance, bringing home laundry convenience to any small space. 1. Comfee Portable Washing Machine. Finally, at the top of our list, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is a compact yet powerful choice for modern laundry needs. This machine includes 6 essential wash cycles: normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only, so you can tailor each load to your specific laundry requirements. Its 1.6 cubic foot capacity can handle up to 11 pounds of clothes, and the efficient motor uses up to 84% less energy than similar models, saving you money on utilities. Despite its compact dimensions, it's a powerful addition to any small living space, like an apartment, dorm, or RV. Safety features include a child lock to prevent unwanted adjustments and a delay start feature so you can set the wash cycle to start later. The Comfee washer's reloading function even lets you add clothes mid-cycle, ensuring no item is left behind. For convenience, efficiency, and thoughtful design, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is the ultimate choice for on-the-go laundry. Whether you're living in a small apartment or love the convenience of portable appliances, each of these washing machines offers unique features to meet your needs. Choose the one that suits you best and elevate your laundry routine.